Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you another portion of my daughter's party decor, and this will be the invitation. So you're gonna need some glitter and plain foam paper, some templates that I hand drew, also some foam glue, some white acrylic paint, pencil, Sharpie, and also a dotting tool. So first thing you're gonna do is take the template of the shape of the head and you're gonna trace it out and cut it out, as well as for the rest of the face on the other foam paper. After cutting it out, this is what everything should look like. Seeing that you can tell the difference with the background and the foam paper, I end up just putting another piece to the bottom so you can see clearly. I removed the backing from the hair of the foam paper and I just stuck it onto the face. I repeat using foam glue for the rest of the face, and I just place everything like a jigsaw puzzle. I just put together everything, as you can tell from here. Now I'm gluing on the eyes, and I love how it looks with the 3D effect, because the eyes have this popped out effect from the plain foam. Because it's so flat and thin, it gives it a little more definition, and that is what I liked about it the most. I did lose a few clips with me doing certain things onto this doll, but you're gonna see at the end, and I end up gluing the mouth as well, the lips, and also the eyebrow. And this glue do take a while to dry, so I would suggest doing this a day before adding anything else to it. So I had some done previously that was drying for a little while, so I took a Sharpie, and this is the ultra fine one, and I just outlined the lips and made it look more defined, as you can tell from here, and also drew on the nose and the ears, the inside parts of the ears. I lost the footage here showing what I did before this, and I just took a larger Sharpie and I'm just giving the hair a ombre look. And also I lost the footage for me putting the little dots in the eyes. So this is the finished product. The only thing I have to do now is just add the information to the back of the invite, and that is it. So if you love seeing these types of party decor invitation type videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment below letting me know what other than this you'd love to see, and hit the red subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.